Ganga. I am from Karma, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my BTECH in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering in KORM College of Engineering. I have joined in Jspiders in the month of January as an incubation student. Salman sir taught me Python and Deepak sir taught me Django. Chandralekha ma'am taught me web technology, SQL, and Salman sir taught me web technology. This institute have given me 6 requirements, in that 4 has scheduled, and now I have placed in a company called NineStars, and my package is 20,000 for 1 year. After that it will be 4 LPA. Before attending the interview, I have attended grooming classes and presentation classes. It helped me a lot to crack the interview. Now I have cracked the interview in the company called NineStars Information Technology. I suggest one thing if anyone want to IT job, then join in Jspiders and it will help you to crack the job. And I am very much thankful to all the faculty and HR